So I've had quite a few requests about how I did my window display, which you might have seen on Facebook or Instagram. And so I'm going to show you some of the tips that I use to create mandala designs. I'm not claiming to be an expert here. There are lots and lots of fantastic mandala artists on Instagram, and there's some really great worksheets on Pinterest that will help you out as well. But I'll just go through some of the basic principles that I use to help me create a design. I like to use a square piece of paper, so then it keeps my drawing quite circular and symmetrical. You need to find the middle point of your piece of paper. So I make a marker at the top and the bottom. Now my piece of paper is just over 14.5 centimetres. So I'm going to go with 7.3 centimetres as my middle ground. Making my markers and then doing a line really lightly with my pencil, one that I can rub out really quickly. And do the same the other way. Once you've found your middle point, then you can start making your design. By splitting your page into 4 sections, you can keep it quite symmetrical and work on opposite sides and do little markers at different points to help you get a round circular design. So I'm going to start with a dot in the middle and then a circle, possibly another one. And then I'm using my 4 points. Almost looks like a target. I'm going to then add one in the middle of them, and then another one in the middle of each of those. And then I'm going to just round them off so they look like little petals. And then the principle's pretty much the same. You just got to keep going. You've got to just got to keep adding. Now, if you want to be really particular, you can start measuring how big certain parts are and make them all kind of the same length by using your ruler and doing some little markers. You could even use a compass if you wanted to, or a protractor to get, you know, exactly in the middle. What I might do is just make some markers on a diagonal through the centre, and that way I can make sure that the things in each section are even more even.